A whopping 68% of adults have dental tartar, also called calculus. Dental tartar is a hard, calcified deposit that forms and coats the teeth and gums. If plaque is not removed on a regular basis, such as through brushing and flossing, it hardens within 24 to 72 hours and becomes tartar. The tartar buildup can make it difficult to brush and floss properly, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Because tartar is strongly bonded to the tooth enamel, it can only be removed by a dental professional.